In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online, how to set up your check printer. To get started, sign into QuickBooks Online and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're in, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the plus new button. This is where QuickBooks keeps shortcuts for creating new transactions and accessing common workflows. After the new menu opens, go to the Vendors column and select Check. This will open the check entry screen. Even if you're not ready to print a real check yet, this is the correct place to begin because QuickBooks connects the printer setup process directly to the check printing window. When the check screen appears, take a moment to look near the bottom of the page. You'll see an option labeled Print Check. Click that to move into the printing area. This section is designed to help you prepare checks for printing and to make sure your alignment is correct before you start using actual check stock. Next, at the bottom of the page, click Print Setup. This is the key step that opens the printer configuration process. From here, QuickBooks will guide you through the setup instructions on screen. As you continue, carefully follow each prompt provided. These instructions typically help you confirm your printer settings, test the alignment, and make sure the information will print in the correct position on your checks. As you go through the setup process, it's a good idea to use plain paper first if you want to avoid wasting check stock. That way you can compare the printed test page against a real check and confirm that everything lines up properly. If the alignment looks slightly off, continue following the prompts to adjust it until the placement looks right. Take your time during this part because proper setup will save you time later and help prevent printing errors. Once you complete the on-screen setup instructions, your check printer should be ready to use in QuickBooks Online. And that's it. You've now set up your check printer in QuickBooks Online. After this, you should be able to print checks more smoothly and with better accuracy whenever you need to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.